evening and welcome to the podcast. I am Jeremy Afula and welcome to you very much well. That it's better at least. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Eugene Kapchu and you're very much welcome to my channel. So today is another new week, another new vlog. So I really have an assignment to do. It's news assignment. I'm supposed to be, I don't know, reporting live and some stuff. Honestly, I have an idea. Yes, it's like two assignments. You have two individual assignments and one group work, or I think two group works. I really don't know. I'm not sure. But the thing is, I just want to now film like the individual assignment which is supposed to be filming. One, we have to do all the editing in terms of adding picture on camera. We have to do a voiceover and stuff. So I think I'm just gonna do that. The good thing is that I thank God like we're using our phones to like film and we're using our phones to edit, so that's the easiest way. But you can also use a camera. But operating from a operating using a school camera is kind of hectic because like it's just hectic. It's just really hectic. So anyway, that's what I want to film right now. It's currently today's on Monday. I don't think I mentioned that. If I did, then it's 2:05 p.m. October 31st, so it's on Monday. So yeah, that's what I want to do right now. I really just want to like make my idea come to reality because the idea that I have is just I want to put it out there, the how content creation works and how it has greatly expanded into Africa and how it's rapidly growing again in Africa because we're establishing ourselves. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about in the first question. And then the second question, I'm going to talk about the climate change and what's happening in the climate because a lot of things are happening. We have pastoralists complaining there's no food. Not complaining, like it's just a cry for help, honestly. There's no food, there's nothing, there's no water, sorry, and the rain is not even coming anytime soon. There's no sign of rains coming, so it's really sad. Honestly, if you think about it, it's really sad. I think it just made me take a second and be grateful for the life that I have and the privilege that we get for the people who are actually even trying to get something, like even a third of what they lack. So, it's just important to be grateful to God or to whatever you believe in. So, yeah, that's just what I want to do right now. So, and then we'll head out for school. But yeah, that's just the plan of the day. That's just what made me even start filming. So, yeah. And yeah, I think I'll see you guys afterwards. I think I'll show you a little glimpse of after my post production works, my after editing. I'll show you a bit of the assignment that I have done, and yeah, you can tell me what you think about it. So yeah, let me just finish that right now, and then I think we're gonna talk, or I'm just gonna leave and we're just gonna see what will happen next. So yeah. Hey guys, very quick update. I'm just from filming that assignment, and honestly, I didn't have a script. I didn't have anything prepared, so I've just blab. I don't know what's the right word. I've just like said whatever was in my mind, honestly, and yep, we already sprayed, already perfumed. Everything's great. I'm smelling, great. And I think I'll see you guys now when I leave. Poa kabisa kabisa. Haya. That it's better at least. Si lazima uwe. Go as in, I'm just taking shots then go home and just read. Tripod, a way to try, but it's too far from the subject.
Iko hapo, iko fiti.
But yeah, I think that's okay. But wait, height. Yes. Iko clear by the way. It's so clear. Good afternoon. Good evening, welcome to the broadcast. I am Steven Musioka. What the fuck? Good evening and welcome to the broadcast. I am Jeremy Fula and fuck. Good evening. Good evening and welcome to the broadcast. I am Jeremy Fula. Nasema TV. Mtu lazima useme TV. Lazima useme TV. As in any. Good evening and welcome to the broadcast. I'm Jeremy Fula and on to drop headline we have 4.3 million Kenyans are currently suffering from the drought crisis that's happening, and we're asking the government to please come and help intervene and to help them to solve all these issues. Eugene Kapil with all the details. Eugene Kapil. Good evening and welcome to the broadcast. I'm Jeremy Fula and on to the top headlines. Over 4.3 million Kenyans are currently suffering from the drought Our reporter Eugene Kaptu with further details. Good evening and welcome to the broadcast. I am Jeremy Wafula, and on to the top headlines. Over 4.3 million Kenyans are currently suffering from the drought crisis that's happening, and they're asking the government to intervene. Our reporter Eugene Kaptu with further details.
For over the past 2 years, climate change has been an issue concerning the citizens because we're having drastic changes in terms of the environment. People and many pastoralists have had a very hard time. A lot of people are complaining and they're seeking help from the government to please help them be able to establish and maintain. A lot of pastoralists are currently selling their cattle for a very cheaper price, which is sad. They're selling it at a throwaway price of about 500,000 shillings as compared to other years, but they used to sell it for 50,000 to 200,000 shillings respectively.